Hi everybody, Jefferson here with InvestmentMob.com, where we help beginning traders turn into Wall Street savvy investors. And we're live at the Parker Cafe in West New York, New Jersey, like we are every Saturday morning at 8 a.m. Come by, stop by, say hello. We're here. Today I have a special guest, friend of mine, and experienced Wall Street trader. We have Michael Thomas with us today. And Michael Thomas is getting out of his comfort zone a little bit. He's a big biotech trader. He loves trading pharmaceuticals. But today he wants to talk about something different. He wants to talk about cloud-based technology. Here he is, ladies and gentlemen, Michael Thomas.
Jeff and I have something in common. We both love the smell of money and opportunity.
I love the smell of money.
Ooh, what a week at Wall Street it was, huh?
Great week in Wall Street. And if you're like me, a technical trader, you didn't get hit that bad. I try and make money on the way up. I try and make money on the way down. That's what I do. Check out the blog. There's going to be a blog coming out on InvestmentMob.com just about that this week. Fundamental trading versus technical trading. What are you? But that's besides the point. We're here to talk about cloud-based technology. And he's got a few stocks he wants to talk about that might pique your interest.
Well, the way it was on Wall Street this week was that it created a lot of opportunity. And it was like having a Macy's shopping pass. There were 10-15% off on stocks. And if you had powder, if you had money, you were golden. So the first stock we're going to talk about is...
We'll talk about Zendesk first off. So Zendesk dropped a little bit this week, wouldn't you say?
It dropped a little bit, and it was an opportunity for those of you who were not in the stock to get a small position in it. The thing I like about Zendesk is that it offers 26% annual growth, and it had revenues of $430 million in 2017, and it's predicted to have almost $1 billion in sales by the year 2020.
So it's a growing company. Cloud-based technology is hot right now, and it's had a little bit of a pullback. In the past month, though, we've seen this drop, haven't we? We've seen this go from about $71, $72, and now it closed on Friday at $65.80. So you can pick this up at $65.80 right now, getting it at almost a 10% discount. But this is breaking my one rule, isn't it, Michael?
What's that one rule?
Never catch a falling knife. Don't catch a falling knife. You could get burnt. I've been burnt many times in my life. Do you still try and do it? Sometimes, but be careful. Make sure those technical indicators are in your favor before you buy.
Let's look at that second stock, Jeff.
The second stock, go for it.
Qualsys.
Qualsys is a company I'm not familiar with, so he's going to take over.
So Qualsys IT security. And I think IT security is ripe for a small percentage, a little bit more speculation in your portfolio. But there have been such great companies out there like Palo Alto Networks and Carbon Black. But what you have to look for in these companies is maturity, something that has a track record of 4 years, positive earnings. The three stocks I'm talking about have all these characteristics, strong management.
And finally, Veeva Systems. This is one that Michael Thomas has in his portfolio. He loves the stock, and I told you before, he's a biotech guy and he's a cloud-based technology guy, and he likes this so much because it combines both of them. Go ahead, tell us a little bit about it.
Oh baby, yeah, Veeva Medical Suite is coming out large this year, and it's connecting the medical teams with the healthcare professionals, and that's going to open up a $35 billion market. So if you look at Veeva, symbol VEEV, it had revenues of $550 million in 2017. In 2018, it's looking to climb up to $685 million in revenue.
There we go, ladies and gentlemen. 3 stocks to look at from InvestmentMob.com. I'm Jefferson. We're here with Michael Thomas, live from the Parker Cafe. See you next week.